Welcome to Scoop Buddy. The city of Hyderabad depicts an interesting confluence of the traditional and modern and the past and the present. When planning a vacation to Hyderabad, check all the ideas of a laid back vacation. Since it is impossible for anyone to soak in the multifarious charms which the city has to offer in a limited time span. So guys, in this video we are going to discuss about the top 10 tourist spots that you must visit in Hyderabad. Number 1. Charminar. The Charminar constructed in 1591. It is a monument and a mosque located in Hyderabad. The landmark has become known globally as a symbol of Hyderabad and it is listed among the most recognized structures in India. It has also been officially incorporated as the emblem of Telangana for the state of Telangana. The Charminar's long history includes the existence of a mosque on its top floor for more than 400 years. Charminar has 45 prayer spaces with 4 graceful minarets projected towards the sky. While both historically and religiously significant, it is also known for its popular and busy local markets surrounding the structure and has become one of the most frequent tourist attractions in Hyderabad. Charminar is also site of numerous festival celebrations such as Eid-ul-Adha. The Charminar is situated on the east bank of Musi River. It is listed as an archaeological and architectural treasure on the official list of monuments prepared by the Archaeological Survey of India. Number 2. Golconda Fort. Golconda Fort is the capital of Qutub Shahi Kingdom. It is considered by many as one of the most magnificent fortress complexes in India. A light and sound show is held in the evenings, wherein the glorious past of Golconda Fort is narrated with Golconda depicted full of life, glory and grandeur. Because of the vicinity of the diamond mines, especially Kollur mine, Golconda flourished as the trade center of large diamonds, known as Golconda diamonds. The region has produced some of the world's most famous diamonds, including the colorless Kohinoor. Golconda consists of 4 distant forts with a 10 km long outer wall with 87 semicircular bastions. Number 3. Salarjung Museum. It houses the largest one-man collection of antiques in the world, and it is not the typical boring museum. And as the common understanding of the museum is, thereby making its way into one of the most visited tourist spots of Hyderabad. The Salarjung Museum is an art museum located at Dar-ul-Shifa on the southern bank of Musi River in Hyderabad. It is one of the 3 national museums of India. It has a collection of sculptures, paintings, carvings, textiles, manuscripts, ceramics, metallic artifacts, carpets, clocks, and furniture from Japan, China, Burma, Nepal, India, and etc. It is one of the largest museums in the world, and it is established 69 years ago on 16th December 1951. Number 4. Ramoji Film City. It is constructed over a sprawling 1666 acre of land. It holds a certification from the Guinness World Records of being the largest integrated film city in the world. Escape to Ramoji Film City to enjoy a kaleidoscope of attractions ranging from rolling landscapes, striking gardens, captivating live stunt shows, and thrill rides. It was built by Telugu film producer Ramoji Rao in 1996. He described Ramoji Film City as city within a city. It is also a popular tourism and recreation center containing natural and artificial attractions, including an amusement park. Around 1.4 million tourists visit the place every year. Number 5. Hussain Sagar Lake. It is an artificial lake. It forms the boundary between Hyderabad and the Secunderabad. At the center of the lake stands a famous statue of the Buddha, which can be accessed through various boat rides to it. It is a heart-shaped lake in Hyderabad, built by Ibrahim Quli Qutub Shah in 1563. Hussain Sagar Lake is a popular spot for sailing, boating, and sightseeing. It has a famous 18-meter high monolithic statue of Lord Buddha over the lake from atop the Rock of Gibraltar. This idea was a part of Buddha Purnima project in 1985 by N.T. Ramarao. Number 6. Mecca Masjid. It is one of the oldest mosques in the city and is at walking distance from Charminar. It has been so named because the bricks were brought from Mecca to build the central arch of this mosque. It is situated in the heart of the old city of Hyderabad, close to the historical landmarks of Charminar, Chowmahalla Palace and Lord Bazaar. Number 7. Birla Mandir. It is situated atop a hill and overlooking the Hussain Sagar Lake. It is a magnificent temple of Lord Venkateshwara, built entirely with white marble. It projects the magnificent panoramic view of twin cities of Hyderabad and Secunderabad. This construction took over 10 years and was opened in 1976 by Swami Ranganathananda of Ramakrishna Mission. The temple was constructed by Birla Foundation, which has also constructed several similar temples across India, all of which are known as Birla Mandir. Birla temples are open to all, as identified by Mahatma Gandhi and other Hindu leaders. Number 8. Nehru Zoological Park. It is inaugurated in 1963. It covers approximately 300 acres of land and is inhabited by more than 1500 species of wildlife. The park also offers elephant rides and safari trips on daily basis. It is located near Mir Alam Tank in Hyderabad. It is one of the most visited destinations in Hyderabad. Zoo hours vary by season and the zoo is closed on Mondays. The park is run by the Forest Department, Government of Telangana, and it is named after the first Prime Minister of India, Jawaharlal Nehru. Number 9. Chowmahalla Palace. It is a popular attraction of Hyderabad. This place is a blend of many architectural styles and influences. The ceremonial functions of the Nizams were held here. The construction of Chowmahalla Palace was mainly completed between 1857 to 1869 during the rule of 5th Nizam. The palace originally covered 45 acres which extend from the Lord Bazaar on the north to the Aspan Chowk Road on the south. Now the total remaining area of the palace is close to 12 acres. One can visit the palace throughout the week except on Friday and national holidays. It has beautiful spread of lawn, its green landscape contrasting the yellow and white motifs of the palace presents a hypnotic sight. Number 10. Paradise Restaurant. Paradise Restaurant is the recipient of Best Biryani 2012 Times Food Award. Paradise started as a small cafe serving tea and snacks. Over time, it has transformed into a palatial restaurant serving the delumptious Hyderabadi delicacies. A journey to Hyderabad is incomplete without visiting Paradise Restaurant for a traditional Hyderabadi spread. So guys, these are the top 10 tourist places that you must visit in Hyderabad. Thank you for watching this video. Please like, share and subscribe to our channel.